Paid newsletters are becoming one of the most popular ways to monetize content online. But while some dedicated platforms do make this easy to start, they also limit how much control you have over your audience, branding, and subscriptions. Hey there, I'm Carmen, and today I'll show you how to create your own paid newsletter system in WordPress using paid member subscriptions and its email marketing integrations. By the end of this video, you'll have subscription plans, paid newsletter signups, automated audience syncing, and a professional registration flow, all running directly on your own website. Let's jump right in. Let's quickly talk about why you might want to use WordPress instead of relying entirely on a third-party platform. First off, monetization. If you ever plan on charging for your newsletter, this is the solution, as email marketing platforms do not offer this. But moreover, with WordPress, you own your audience, you control the design and branding, you decide how subscriptions work, and you can expand your business later if you want to. Let me show you how. First, let's install paid member subscriptions. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for paid member subscriptions. Then, click Install and Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new paid member subscriptions menu inside your dashboard. Now let's create the plans user can subscribe to. Go to Paid Member Subscriptions, Subscription Plans. Here, click Add New Subscription Plan. For this tutorial, I'll create two plans. The free newsletter, which can be used for free weekly updates, public content, and audience growth, and the premium newsletter. This will be the paid subscription plan. Here you can set a recurring monthly payment, choose billing duration, and configure renewals. This setup works really well because it allows you to grow your audience with free content while monetizing your premium subscribers separately. Now let's create a pricing page where visitors can subscribe. Back on the subscription plans page, click Create Pricing Page. Select the plans you want to display, choose the layout, and click Submit. Next, we can even customize how each plan is displayed directly on the page by accessing it through the admin area. You can add as many details and benefits of each plan, so you can make sure that your audience knows exactly what they're getting before committing. Now let's connect with your email marketing provider. Paid member subscriptions integrates with both Mailchimp and Brevo, but I'll be using Mailchimp for this tutorial. Just note that you'll need a paid license to use this add-on. This add-on allows users to subscribe directly to your Mailchimp audiences from the registration form. So instead of manually exporting email addresses, subscribers are automatically synced to your Mailchimp list. To activate the integration, go to Paid Member Subscriptions, Add-ons. Here, find the Mailchimp add-on and click Activate. Once enabled, you'll see a new email marketing section inside the settings area. Next, open your Mailchimp account. To connect Mailchimp with your website, you'll need an API key. Inside Mailchimp, go to Profile, Extras, API Keys. Then scroll down and click Create a Key. You'll be asked to give the key a name. I recommend using something descriptive, like WordPress Paid Newsletter. Then, click on Generate Key and Mailchimp will now generate it. Make sure to copy it immediately because you won't be able to fully view it again later. Next, we'll also need the Audience ID. Go to Audience, More Options, Audience Settings. Here you'll find your Audience ID that you need to copy. Now return to WordPress and go to Paid Member Subscriptions, Settings, Email Marketing. Inside the Authentication section, paste your API key and also paste your Audience ID. Once these are added, your website is now connected to Mailchimp. Amazing! Your plans are now directly connected with Mailchimp. Next, let's configure how users subscribe to your newsletter. Next, scroll down to the Subscribe Settings section. This section lets you decide how user subscriptions should be handled using the following settings. In the subscription mode, you can choose between Direct Subscribe, where users are added immediately to your Mailchimp audience, or Email Confirmation, where users receive a confirmation email before being subscribed. Next, the Subscribe Users section can be set to automatically, when every user gets subscribed automatically, or show opt-in checkbox, which adds a newsletter subscription checkbox directly to your forms. If enabled, users will see the checkbox directly during registration. You can also customize the checkbox label, description, and whether it's checked by default or not, which gives users more control over their newsletter preferences. Once everything looks good, make sure to click Save Changes and your settings will be live. Now let's see how this works from the user side. When someone visits your pricing page and chooses a newsletter plan, they'll be taken to the registration form. Once the form is submitted, the plugin automatically syncs the subscriber with your selected Mailchimp audience. So instead of manually managing email lists, everything happens automatically in the background. Another really useful feature is field mapping. This allows you to connect fields from your website with fields inside Mailchimp. For example, in the paid member subscription settings field mapping section, you can see first name, last name, and custom profile fields. This helps you personalize your email campaigns much more effectively. You can also enable subscription merge tags. This automatically creates Mailchimp's attributes based on user subscription plans. For example, plan name, subscription status, or plan ID, which makes advanced segmentation much easier later on. What makes this setup really powerful is flexibility. You are not just collecting email addresses, you are building a complete subscription business that you fully own. And with time, you can expand to memberships, private communities, online courses, or more, all inside your own website. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for even more WordPress and membership tutorials. And let me know in the comments what kind of paid newsletter would you create. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy this video? Make sure to check out my other tutorials on the channel to take things a step further.